What happens to your body when you drink garlic water daily? Garlic water benefits. One of the popular quotes from the Greek physician, also regarded as the father of modern medicine, is, "Let thy food be thy medicine, and thy medicine be thy food." This statement alludes to the fact that the human body can benefit immensely from eating nutritious food. One of these food items that could provide the body with immense benefits is garlic. In this video, we will find out what happens to your body when you drink garlic water daily. Garlic water provides potent and effective medicinal contents for the body. One of the things that your body will enjoy when you take garlic water every day is a host of elements with effective medicinal properties. A medical study into the historical use of garlic showed that the spice, which belonged to the onion family, has been used by major civilizations throughout the history of humans for its health and medicinal functions. Civilizations such as Egyptians, Roman, Chinese, Greeks, and Babylonians have well-documented records of how useful the garlic clove is. The research points to the fact that the medicinal properties of garlic water come from the sulfur compounds formed when the garlic cloves are chewed or crushed. There is also a compound in garlic known as allicin, which a research carried out in 2014 on the chemical and biological properties of allicin showed that while the compound is unstable, it possesses a lot of useful biological usage and properties. Garlic water provides the body with more nutrients than calories. As much as calories are useful for the activities of the human body, it doesn't help when there are too many calories in the body. Thus, many people are constantly on the look for food that provides them with enough nutrients without a sizable number of calories. According to the Agricultural Research Service of the U.S. Department of Agriculture, a single clove of raw garlic, which weighs about 3 grams, contains the following nutrients of manganese, vitamin B6, fiber, vitamin C, and selenium. You will also get sizable quantities of trace nutrients in garlic water. Garlic water helps against the common cold. Garlic water can help you boost your immune system and protect you against certain illnesses. Research carried out as far back as 2001 showed that garlic supplements can help prevent the occurrence of illnesses such as the common cold. This study was large and took place for about 12 weeks. The result of the research showed that using garlic supplements daily can help reduce the occurrence of the common cold by 63%. The study also showed that the garlic supplement helped reduce the symptoms in people with a cold. The garlic supplement reduced the symptoms by 70% in 1.5 days, as against 5 days in people that didn't use the garlic supplement. While garlic supplement is different from garlic water, they possess the same main ingredient, which is garlic. Interestingly, another research carried out in 2012 proved that using aged garlic extracts daily can help reduce the number of days sick with cold or flu by 61%. Garlic water helps with high blood pressure. One of the health issues that causes a high number of deaths are cardiovascular diseases such as stroke and heart disease. High blood pressure or hypertension is one of the factors that has heavily contributed to these diseases. Multiple medical studies have shown that garlic supplements have a high impact on the blood pressure of people with hypertension. In another 2013 study, it was proved that 1,500 milligrams of aged garlic extract is as effective as the atenolol drug in reducing blood pressure over 24 weeks. Garlic water can reduce cholesterol levels. Apart from reducing blood pressure when it is too high, garlic water can also help you reduce the cholesterol level in the body. A study carried out in 2013 on the effects of garlic on serum lipids showed that garlic has properties that allow it reduces total and LDL cholesterol by 10 to 15%. In another research on the effect of garlic and fish oil on serum lipid and lipoprotein concentration in hypercholesterolic men, it was discovered that garlic reduces LDL, bad cholesterol, but it does not affect HDL cholesterol. Garlic water contains antioxidants and prevents Alzheimer's disease and dementia. One of the reasons why the body ages faster is through oxidative damage from free radicals in the body. Antioxidants help the body protect and fight off oxidative damage, and garlic contains more than enough antioxidants. It has also been proven that higher daily doses of garlic water help to increase the number of antioxidant enzymes in the human body, while also decreasing oxidative stress in people with hypertension. Finally, the combined effects of reduced oxidative stress, cholesterol levels, and high blood pressure could help reduce the risk of brain issues such as dementia and Alzheimer's disease, according to a 2001 study on the antioxidant health effects of aged garlic extract. Garlic water could help achieve longevity. While it is also impossible to prove the potential of garlic water in helping humans live longer, the effects of garlic water on other aspects of human health point to the fact that it could help you live longer. The fact that it helps with the reduction of high blood pressure and also improves the immune system of the human body system. Garlic water also helps improve athletic performance. A study into the ancient and earliest use of garlic showed that it was one of the potent performance-enhancing substances. In early civilizations, garlic was used to improve the work capability of laborers and also reduce fatigue. Garlic was one of the substances that Olympic athletes in ancient Greece used to enhance their athletic performance. In a small study on people with heart issues, the usage of garlic oil for 6 weeks showed a 12% reduction rate in peak heart rate and also a better exercise capacity. Another study proved that fatigue caused by exercise can be reduced using garlic. Thus, all of this research and evidence shows that garlic water works and helps athletes fight fatigue, which makes it easier for them to train better and increase their athletic performance. Garlic water may help with metal detoxification. When used at high or daily doses, the sulfur compound present in garlic water has been proven to help protect the body organs from failure due to heavy metal toxicity. This was discovered in a 4-week study where employees in car plants were made to take garlic. A car plant increases the possibility of exposure to lead, which is a toxic heavy metal. The study results showed that garlic was responsible for a 19% reduction in lead levels in the human body. It was also discovered that garlic reduced some of the symptoms of toxicity such as headaches and high blood pressure. The study showed that 3 doses of garlic daily worked better than the D-penicillamine drug in reducing the symptoms of toxicity. Garlic water helps with bone health. First off, it is important to state that no human studies have measured the effect of garlic or garlic water on bone loss. However, in rodents that are the closest medical subjects to humans, garlic was proven to have minimized bone loss in females by increasing the level of estrogen. Consequently, another study on the effect of garlic on menopausal women showed that a daily dose of dry garlic helps to reduce estrogen deficiency in women. This study then suggests that garlic and garlic water could have a positive effect on bone health. There are many health benefits associated with the use of garlic water daily. However, it is not all rosy when you consume garlic water every day. There are some side effects that you should know about and bear in mind as you take garlic water every day. The following may also happen to your body when you drink garlic water daily. Garlic water may cause bad breath. This is one of the leading side effects of drinking garlic water or any other garlic extracts every day. As beneficial as the sulfur compounds in garlic are, they are also responsible for the bad breath associated with garlic water. The bad breath may be worse if you eat garlic raw instead of taking the water. Garlic water may cause digestive issues. Garlic is known to contain fructans. Fructan is a type of carbohydrate that has been attributed to causing bloating, stomach pain, and gas. In summary, there are more than enough benefits that the body can get from a daily intake of garlic water. From the reduction of blood pressure and cholesterol level to the boosting of the human immune system, your body will thank you for drinking garlic water every day. However, you should also be wary of bad breath, digestive issues, and other side effects of drinking garlic water every day.